Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of Tech Assist. In this video, I will teach you how to log in Epic Game through web. So first you need to do is go to your Chrome browser and on top there's in search bar type Epic Game. As the page loads, just click on Epic Game Store. Once you're on this page, just go to your right hand side and simply click on sign in. Now here you can see that choose how to sign in your Epic account. So if you have used your Epic Games account, or if you've used Facebook or signed in with Google, with Xbox Live, you can choose on any one of this. Now I've done it with sign in with Epic Games. Tap on it. Now I need to do is enter my email address that I used creating an Epic Game account. Now enter your password again. So once you finish entering your email and password, just simply click on login now. And here you go, your account is logged in and now you can play any games you want. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.